How to fix match accept bug in League of Legends. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I will show you how we can fix match accept bug in League of Legends. So first of all, you can use the task manager. You can open your task manager and check the process tab, look for the Riot Games app, close the client launcher app, and you can restart the game. As you can see on the picture, uh, do exactly the same way, and after that you can change screen refresh rate. In some cases your game is stuck in select, you may try changing your screen refresh rate. So for that you have to choose screen resolution from the context menu, and when you right click on the desktop, click the advanced settings option, select the settings box under screen refresh rate. As you can see, the screen refresh rate is selected on 60.027 Hz. And after that you can run the game as admin. You can locate your game launcher on the desktop, right click on the League of Legends and select run as administration. As you can see here, you have to click on the run as administration. That can fix the problem, and after that you can fix game files. You can open your League of Legends client, click on the gear icon, go to the general tab, go to the troubleshooting section, click on initiate full repair, hit enter to start the process. As you can see here, and this process will start to fix all the game files and may take some time. However, once the process is finished, all the issues should be fixed and you won't have to deal with the same problem again. And if this also not works with you, you can delete config and logs file. You can open the Windows Task Manager, disable or stop any League of Legends process, locate the League of Legends file folder, and you can locate logs and config files and delete them. As you can see here, you can just select and delete them. And after that, if this things doesn't work with you, you can reinstall League of Legends. You can reinstall League of Legends, and that will do uh, the work for you. And that's it. That's how you can fix match accept bug in League of Legends. I have told you many ways. Let me know in the comment section uh, which way suited you, or which way you could solve the problem. And that's it for this video. See you on the next one.